Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy Monday. This video is to explain to you how to do your translations for Pasuk Chet and also to go over the worksheet shorashim chart. So I'm going to start by going over the shorashim chart. Okay. So this is the chart that you should have already filled out. If you didn't fill it out yet, I would say pause the video, give it a try, and then watch, check your work, okay? So we have here vatamat, okay, vatamat. So we're looking for shorash, translation, and shem guf. So if looking here, the shorash here is a little bit tricky. A lot of times you'll see it as a milah, as a word like mate. But here it's mut, and that means died. And my tuf here tells me that it's he, that she died. So this is kind of giving you a heads up. This is the shorashim chart for Pasuk Chet. This is giving you a heads up that someone in our Pasuk died. Vatikaver, vatikaver is kavar, to bury. So the tuf here tells me it's he, that she was buried. The last one here is vayikra, shorsh kara, meaning called, and my yud shem guf here tells me it was who, he, or it was called. So now I'm going to go to the pasuk today. You should be able to find this pasuk on page 2 of your translation. And I did a little something here to help you out a little bit more. So we have our one pasuk here, and today when you do your translations, I want you to try to translate every single word. You can use the shorashim chart, you can use your list of shorashim on page 2, you can use your knowledge of prefix and suffix, shem guf, etc., to help you translate this. But I want you to try to translate this whole pasuk. And what I did is, above some of the words that I thought you might not know, because there's no keyword list for this pasuk, I filled it in. So vatamat, that's actually in the chart we just did. Devora is a person's name. Mineket is a nurse, and Rivka is a name. Okay, so anywhere you see the red, so if you want to just take out your translation and just make those notes, I'm giving this to help you. Ha'alon, okay, ha'alon is a plain. Okay, I actually showed you a picture of what a plain is. This is a desert plain. This is like landforms. So it's not talking about a plane, like an airplane. It's not talking about a plain bagel, although that sounds pretty good right now. It's talking about the landform, meaning a plane, a desert plane. So I showed you a little picture here. So in our next video, we'll be going over what took place in this pasuk. So go ahead, happy translating. You got this. Alrighty. And